Sometimes your ingredients have ingredients. This is Ruby Falcon Basics batter. Batter is one of those really key components that can be used in a lot of things. Everything from pancakes to coating other foods before you cook them. Let's take a look what we need, alright? To make batter, you just need 2 ingredients, flour and milk. Because batter has such a wide range of uses, I'm not going to give you quantities in this video. That'll be in the videos I make in the future that call for batter as an ingredient. Sometimes you want it thicker, sometimes you want it thinner, sometimes you want more, sometimes you want less. Add your flour to a bowl. Add your milk. Mix until it's smooth, consistent, and doesn't have any lumps. And there you have it. That's how you make batter. I hope you found this useful. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.